Hi, to use parental controls on the Samsung Galaxy A34, as a first step, open Settings and here search for the tab Accounts and Backup. After that, go into Manage Accounts and delete every Google account you have. Simply tap it and select the option to remove it. Now tap the OK button and after that, either fingerprint scan or just enter your PIN code or password of the phone. Now we need to find the Google tab and after that here you can see the sign in option, but you'll need to go in the all services and scroll till you see the parental controls tab. And now we need to set it up first. So for that, tap this let's do it button and here you can see ask your child or teen to sign in. So press the sign in button. And now you need to verify your identity once more. And after that, you need to sign in Google account. So here, enter your email or phone number and after that, the password. Let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. Now we signed in your child and after that, you need to select this button, supervise your child. And now you can see next steps for parent. So tap the next button and as a parent, enter your email or phone number and after that, your password. Here to finish setting up supervision, you would need to enter the password to confirm that you have both reviewed what supervision means and want to set up the supervision. Here is the information by the way. So now tap the next button to continue. Wait a few seconds till it will be loading and we can use this feature parental control. And now you can see this pop-up window to allow supervision. Here you can read instruction for this pop-up window and now just tap this allow button and we are waiting again. Here you can review settings. Just press the next button to go to the next tab and now we are all set. So here you can see the parental controls tab now. You can check app activity. Here you can view all history. You can set daily limit and select weekly scheduled, but in that case you need to enter your parent's password. You can choose downtime, so changes here won't affect the weekly schedule. You can also just check blocked apps. Here tap the manage apps and as I said before, you need to verify that you are a parent, so you will need to enter your password to manage it. And here as for supervision, you can see sending devices, location sharing, location settings, your settings and this feature to get more controls. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.